Bring it down. That's fight. Bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Friday here with us. Ghana Month Friday. Allah. We have one more Friday to do before we wrap the month up. And today, we have the energetic traditional. These people, when they start like this, and let's light off. That is why I'm here, with the light on. free. La dade kotopon. Sa area no nyina light on mamo. Kasua light off, Ashama light off. Don't ask me why. Why, Eddie? Which side of town are you from? Taifa. Light off. Abiang. Side when I Abri. Who the light here then? Light off. Azigiza Junior, which side? Sprinters. Light on for us. Light on. Till. You don't have to pay bills. Light on. Pow. Ayita. Nima run up. Light off. Transformer bent. Light off. Larry. Area bang. Oyibi. What ye? Oyibi. Valley View. Instead of it to pray. What do you need the light for? Hello? And then, cameraman, which area? Abokobi? Huh? Sprinters. Are you sure? I don't know your Sprinters ID card. Do you have one? Okay, all right. Well, tonight's show is crazy packed. We have one young man who was part of the unsung winners or nominees we unveiled last week. He's going to be joining me here. All the way from Tadi, my brother. All the way from... Oh, yeah, please come. And please give it up for him. Yeah, Ramsey B, y'all. That's right. Orokodo. Dema, Akwaba. One shout going out to Casapreco. Once again, Casapreco, keep us energized. That's it. What's our rapper?
Yeah.
What's made the Casapreco? Think about it. All right. Okay. But we know we are not supposed to be voting yet.
Yes.
Yes. Do we have the date? Let's say in the next few weeks.
Yeah, I think next few weeks. Yeah. The code will come out.
Tell us about you. Today, this is your sport. Talk to me.
Tell Ghana. Yes. Ghana, this Aya Ramsey B, the reigning artist in Western region. I'm the reigning artist. And now, one nominating of VGMA on Sang category. I'm part of it. Mr. One, it's a code number out. Obia. I'm feeding me Western region. And Naje CK man. Charlie will vote rough. Into no, Mr. On code and no Bian vote my Aya Ramsey B. That's right. Now your father no call Western region straight. Yeah. It be music and church as if you Western region. Yeah.
And yeah, it's not up for discussion. Why would disagree? Be a light off. Abiam, Mamene song back, Mamene nyum back, Mamene nyum.
Why? Sameda suiting from here and your VGM on sang me.
We're winning, but why are you spelling mommy? Spelling try.
Yeah, much try.
Be beer from start. Yeah. Why are you spelling uncle?
Yeah, Aya Ramsey B here. AYA. Aya near AYA.
That's all.
Yeah, and Ramsey B here RAMZYB.
On wild following on Facebook. Yeah, I'm following, liking the page.
IG, Twitter.
And I'm streaming, almost streaming.
Streaming, and then I'm the new video now about out. I Ramsey B and catch a backfire and you may boy. Echo YouTuber. That's right. Own video on the OFR. Big bass. Nalanyen. I love that. It's about one view. It's a nice video. Trust me, when you are and keep on following Aya Ramsey B.
Very important.
Western region, they be able to make one proud.
That's right.
So big ups to you.
Thank you very much, my brother. So, well, for the next few weeks, we'll be bringing all these unsung guys, interact with them, because it's very important we support them now. So that when they blow, they will remember us. And that's why you throw money on me like medical. And I'm a jolly.
I mean, Miss can forbid them say
that's right. Okay, we'll return from the break. We've got veterans joining me here. Sing by the fireside. Azigiza Junior. Reverend Azigiza Junior will be joining me here. I've got the Mama Clean herself. Woman where they make sure, say, in fact, Ghana is dirty. Let's not lie to you. Ghana is dirty. The woman making sure that we all clean Ghana. She's back on a project. We will be spending time with Irene Opari. Oh, yeah, she's here. We've got Patty, one of my former students of my dance academy. Patty is a dancer, I taught him. He will show us something small here. Plus, my Ladade Kotopon people. My ready now. Take us to break. Yanko. Ladade. says me kutu abetitia. Hello. Asofo Akwaba. Hey.
Blessings, bro.
Oh yeah, make we manage for here, make him sit there.
Okay.
I want you to be closer to the action. You know what?
I want to stay holy. Why you dey put me? I want to stay holy.
It will work. It
work already.
In fact, I only found out after getting all of you on that you all have connections with each other.
Oh, sure.
Like the lineup next, you know somebody. When I was asking him, I said, 25 years ago. 22 years ago.
Why they make me old man?
14 years ago. I said, hey, this man. Please, we have another lady here. Now, this lady is phenomenal. We've seen her on the screens. She's one of those household names. And now she's like, you know what, let me focus on cleaning Ghana. Because I have offended though. Cleaning Ghana, now I say abrochire. Please give it up for Mama Irene Oparo. Please give that to her. Give that to her. For me, you're almost my height. You're almost my height. Oh, you crack me up every Friday on TV.
Too much. Oh. I'm happy to be here.
Oh, thank you. Welcome, Akwaba. You see your partner in crime?
Yes. Azigiza.
This was 42 years ago.
We be ancient of this.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, the last but not the least, this man was my dance student as far back as 82. And then, you know, life, and I used to be a very good dancer. That was pre-independence, yeah? And then...
Post-independence?
Life changed after... Ghana! Our beloved country is free! You understand? When they say Ghana was free, I don't follow join them. So Ghana was free, I wasn't. So please, give it up for this man. 2001 or 2010 champion, national dance champion.
Hey,
please give it up for Party! Thank you, Akwaba. Dancing is a calling. I know a few people who missed that call. Some of us will receive that call. You and I, and Dance Godline, and a few others. And who else? Hello. Bro. Biscuit. What's it? Biscuit wrapper. Akwaba. Guys, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Charlie, producer, if I breathe out, the bottle was here. The show inhaler edition. Showbiz 360. Me who from us.
When you don't do this to me, please.
I'm sorry, ma. I promise to be nice.
Oh my God.
Guys, welcome. Those of you laughing, light off. Wherever you're laughing from, light off. Tadi, Anaje, light off. Welcome.
Thank you.
Good to have you. Welcome back to Ghana.
Thank you, boss.
I asked a few, they say, I try to get you one. They say you did Germano.
Yeah.
Germany.
Yeah,
Where in Germany?
I live in Düsseldorf.
Where?
Düsseldorf.
Düsseldorf?
Yeah, Düsseldorf.
Oh, Düsseldorf?
Yeah.
Oh, my place that. You do know this guy? This French guy. He was my neighbor. Yeah. They call him Nana.
Nana. We have a lot of Nana in Germany. So which one?
God.
Oh, he's from Sierra Leone.
Oh.
Yeah, the French, they be Nane. But we they call him like Je Nane, Tu Nane. You know, why we they call him Nana. Charlie, welcome. So what, dancing took you there?
Yes, please.
Dancing took you to...
Exactly.
And me, I'm chilling, and so what am I doing in Alajo? It's not the same dancing we're all doing.
Giovanni, be careful, eh?
No, but full-time, you're a full-time dancer here.
When the corona, started, everything went off. Oh. So now I'm doing normal job. I do dreadlocks also, and I teach in schools. Dreadlocks? Yeah, I do dreadlocks as well.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm doing my own but you have to wait tomorrow.
You can do it only in heaven.
I teach in schools. I do my own dance class also, and then I do normal job as well.
Yeah. And it's paying.
Yeah.
Especially the dancing part.
You see?
Yeah, I hear it pays a lot.
You see?
A virtual class.
You see?
Jubia, 5,000 euros.
Hey!
I like that. But you are part of our history. A lot of people say that we can talk about, and I'm sure Azigiza will mention that, because we hear he was one of the few people who believed in you when you started.
Yeah.
Tell me that story.
I was at Paloma. I was doing clown by then.
Clown?
Yeah, clown.
Like Jimmy?
Yeah, like Jimmy, So I was there one day and it was like, who is this? Hey, Pat, is that you? I said, yeah, boss, it's me. He said, come. You know what? You have to go and try this, the competition, the National Dance Champion. And trust me, you're going to win.
Which year was this?
I think before 2001. I think that was 2000, year 2000.
2000, millennium year?
Yeah, and he told me that, so yeah. you know, I did it, and then yeah.
Do you remember some of the names you met during the championship? Are they still doing it or not?
Oh, most of them.
Most of them.
They are nowhere to be found.
They danced into more serious business.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. And then you went on and you see, he's not the only one we hear such things about. We hear that even as far back, some of the musicians we grew up listening to, you encouraged them to not to give up in their chosen field.
Sure.
You were one of the few radio folks to popularize this pop culture. Sure. You played a key role in DJing in Ghana. No doubt about it. Your Sunday afternoon on Joy FM then was the go-to place for every party.
Sure.
So why God see all this and way say, do you know it will come?
You know, God, they love the best.
Yes.
So don't forget. So God see Azigiza, he say, yeah, this guy, he got him.
This is non-alcoholic.
Thank you very much. Is it very virgin?
Yeah, this is the cocktail is called non-apostolic Cristo Mixo.
Once the my free hot.
Police Cristo.
But bro, bottom line is that I started as a dancer. In 1987, I started as a dancer. 87. I'm 53 years old.
You don't say.
Yeah, I'll be 53 in July, actually. That's how I grew.
Oh, you did it.
Oh,
if you don't clap a big in the house,
please stop it. Please stop it, I'm shy.
Wow.
Yeah. I'll be 53.
Older than 45.
Grace and my wife.
That's right.
Very
important. You should have focused on the second. Scream the second one so that you know that. Because her birthday was just a few days ago. So scream the second
the
one.
one where they chop my money.
As of family?
To the woman who chops my money, where's the camera for talk to?
Any of them? This one.
My Lome Chofi. Hey, my man Probi Beyonce.
Hey, Pinot.
My Choco Kim Kardashian.
Sakomi.
You do all. I love you seriously.
Allah.
The brightness of this day has given me the opportunity. You write something before.
I don't want to confess. I didn't only write. If the stamp finish, sometimes they feel do back to send and say you didn't do.
You were there, so. So, bro, I started as a dancer, and then in 1998, I thought I was going to be the winner. Unfortunately, I lost. My brother Terry Ofusu Bright won. So I said I was done with show business. Then this man, KKD, bro.
The same KKD.
KKD, wherever you did, boss. God bless you.
Wow.
God bless you. Men like you are hard to find. God bless you. KKD advised me, and he said, Mr. Ado, Mr. Ado.
That's how he calls you?
Yeah, Mr. Ado. you might have stopped dancing, but I think you could learn the act of DJing. Huh? And then I decided to become a DJ.
Wait, was KKD a DJ himself?
Yeah, KKD was a DJ.
Still don't believe that.
Yeah, KKD was a DJ. He was on GBC. He had his own show. Yeah. So I learned the act of DJing, and fortunately in 1993, I became Africa's #1 DJ. Thank you.
Sorry, studio audience, you should get used to it. Call means clap. Hello, please give it up, give it up, give it up. We are saying all this because a lot of the millennials, a lot of the Gen Z folks don't know some of these things because there is limited literature.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people remember some of these things. Some of you through oral tradition. Somebody tell you, tell somebody, tell you. Sometimes they distort the truth.
Yeah.
So when you hear from them whilst they are alive and healthy with us, it helps a lot. Yeah.
So I started this act of DJing, and I got a contract to be in Benin. So I lived in Benin for like 6 months. So I had to learn how to speak French in Benin.
Oh, tu parles français?
Oh, très bien.
Oh, oui, me to me quoi?
This one they don't write yet. If I go look for him, you what? You quoi?
No, me quoi? Like it's the
present continuous.
Yeah. It's usually the fancy side of the French.
Okay. Me, I they use the grand side.
So if you go through Zima, you should be able to understand what I'm saying.
Me quoi?
Yeah, me quoi?
Right. So, bro, yeah. I was in Benin, and because I was a dancer and a DJ, I was more like a total package. Yeah. So when you came to my club, I would put on an instrumental and then jump to the floor.
Performer.
Yeah. Then we had things like, when I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall, and in the back of my mind, I heard a conscience call telling me I need a girl who's sweet. I said, oh, for the first time in my life, I say I need love. Then we stand there, I need love.
Man, I was so baggy,
Where they wash them come.
Repellent baggy.
So guess what? There's this musician called Baba Mal. He said, Moga, for Veni. I said, no, I didn't play this song.
You wouldn't let me come in. You see, this is where I come in.
Okay.
When you speak the French, invite
Then
me.
you translate.
So then.
C'est toi qui as joué cette chanson?
Yeah. Chanson.
Oh my God.
Do you use a Samsung?
No, Nokia.
No. So try to jouer. Try to say, what's smoking charger? Nah.
Papa, take this man away. So, bro,
Yeah.
I told him no. Then he said, why don't you put a song on a cassette? Because those were the days of cassette.
Yeah.
So, with a session of Amma, because Nat Brew had written, You Are All I Need,
Yeah.
Amma. So with a session of that one, thank you, somebody did something great here. I had to write all the local names. And decided to do a song with it. So that's how come I got Medawabena.
Oh, I love you. Check it out. I love. Which year? 94.
94.
This song.
Yeah, this song. So I wrote it in Benin.
Who voiced that?
Okay, the
remember?
original one was Maggie Binde, but this is Nana King's wife, because this is the remix.
Exhibition things, dance woman.
Yeah, you were there, son.
No, for the way I heard it. Wow.
Yeah, so that's how come Azigiza started. Then during the Middle time, I got a call from Kwesi Chum. He said, hey, young man, I heard you're Africa's #1 DJ. Can you come and
Work with me.
I said, boss, I don't learn journalism, but when it comes to ripping the turntables, you can't beat me.
That's right.
So I got a job. Second time, I got a call from the director of GTV. There was a show called Second Generation by Moses Japon.
Yeah, Moses.
So I went on that show, and because of my style and stuff, the man was like, hey.
I heard you were so charismatic. Like you had fans, street vibe. Like, you know, your A-lister today, your favorite celebrity today, in those days, you know, go sit up. This man do or be then done that. Everything.
We thank God. We did our bit, and I'm very humbled with what we did. And now when my children listen to my song, I'm not ashamed because I didn't say things that now I'll be ashamed of.
Wonderful.
I spoke about love and I advised people. So that's how come the director of TV said, hey, young man, come on TV, come and do your thing. So I had to get Azigiza, a teddy bear, named it Azigiza Senior. And Charlie, I brought another thing to TV. So that's how the journey started.
Yeah. We'll come down to your epiphany when it all had to go like, you know what? We had to carry the Bible and go like, this is the new me. We'll get that part. Irene, great to have you on, Irene. What do you know? What did you guys first meet? Like your path.
Oh, we've been parties.
Way back. We should be 24. How old is your daughter now?
This year she will be 25.
Oh. Then we are 26, 27.
Yeah, more
because
than
I knew
that.
her before she gave birth to the child. Yes.
How did you meet?
Through our brother.
Oh yeah.
Through our brother. Yes, a mutual friend. So that's where we met, and we became buddies.
We
You need to let our viewers understand how huge you were there. Like how maybe take pen and paper. Understand who we have here. Don't see her in traffic and say, "Mommy, what? What's she mommy?" Were you there? Was she? Not she point you.
She was big. Yeah. It was the days of video cassette.
Yeah.
So those times, if you don't have a video cassette, you can't watch my sister. I'm sorry. Yeah. You see, our times, we didn't have social media. No. It would have kept some things. Look, she was there. She was there. She can be working. Taxi drivers to be in his car.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Me cook home. Me do fear no na. Yachem normal bebre.
But the only remix her name because Eileen.
Because the areas she play for.
Because of the areas she did. Problem, you know. So, yeah. So you know, in our days, there was no social media, like you said. So before you become a star, through hard work. It's through hard work. I mean, no social media. So you have to work hard. You have to work at it. You have to work at it. Be
Can you
there.
recount the number of movies you've played roles in?
Yeah.
Can you put a number to it? Because you've
I
jumped
lost
from
count from like 10, 20 years ago because I've been acting for 40 years of my life.
Huh?
Yeah, 40 years.
Acting for 40 years.
Yeah.
Action, camera, light, let's go.
Yeah, 40 years. I'll be 57 this year.
Huh?
Axel.
Yeah, 57.
Ask her how many times she has kissed in a movie.
Yes. This is an age-old question.
You know what? No, there's a trick in that. I always tell people.
Even then?
Yeah, even then. Unless, no. Before I play the role with you, they need to give me your name. I need to meet you.
Need your voter's ID card.
What did you say? So the first time I see you, I'll just hug you. May they check his cent, you know. Into me hug you, na me take cent pay. My director, I
pretest with your make-believe.
Yes, you know. So I hug you and all that. So when we get on set, you know, if I have to kiss you, no, that's a trick, you know. The lips can meet and the head will turn.
Then the camera will go somewhere.
And it's like you are kissing deep. But yeah.
We'll go to some of your contemporaries there and those who your brother was acting as well.
Yeah, my brother. Yeah, people. Maybe Uncle Focus said we are twins, but we are not. I'm two after him. I'm two after him.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's there. He's doing well.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have a project you're embarking on. We'll take that before the break.
Yes. About 10 years ago, I did a project on cleaning, which was Clean Up Party.
Yeah.
And I used the name Clean Mama.
All right.
10 years ago. So I wanted to start it and COVID came. So I said this year, why not? Let me start this thing because people have been calling. If I leave Clean Mama's number here, the number that I used then, if I leave it here for like 10 minutes, you have like 100 calls. Yeah, people are still calling me that Clean Mama, how you feel, Brandon cleaning me say, when you feel, you know, yeah. So I decided to go on it again this year.
In fact, the timing is right because we're having early rains now.
Yes,
so the timing is right. This is the right time to save lives. You know, if you're dumping things in the gutter, you're choking waterways, you will kill yourself. You will kill yourself. That's why Clean Mama is embarking on the front.
Yeah, so I'm
and the way you do it, you do it multiple locations at the same time.
Yes, I go to, no, I'm doing for the whole Ghana. So it's just that the promo comes on TV. It will start very soon. And then you just have to call the number if you are ready to clean your environs.
All right.
So you get your assembly members ready, chiefs, MPs, ministers, they all call me. Yeah. And then when you are ready, I will come with, it's a cleanup party. Yeah. So I come with drinks and water, with the jama, brass band and all that.
We'll have
and
the
we
number.
Have the party.
We need people to sponsor this drive. All right, we need people to embark on this journey with us. We'll do that right after the break. Stay on. Let's go. Yamba, let's go. Allah, walk your back. I don't speak Gamba. Momo, I say, Papa. Favor, talk to me. Wow. So your group is 15 years. Oh, yeah. 15. 15 years.
15 years.
Wow. Tell me more.
Oh, we started from like a group called Modern Sunny, and there was a selected people by from Willomin and then also from Sakumo to become together to form the band called the Lada de Kotopon. We started with many members, but some of them are gone. Yeah. And the rest of us, we are just managing.
How many are you?
I think we are about 20.
If you're about to pay salary and everybody's supposed to come.
Oh,
how many do you record in the books?
It's 20.
20. So, so if 2 or 3, okay, anyway, let's have a number to call.
Okay, my number is 020.
020. Call!
72
72
52
52
469
469. Fleming. What's the name?
020 72
72
52
52
469
46. Don't Fleming of a car. Blah. La daddy go to prom.
Contraband.
Frank. Like you and Shira. Bobby BIB.
Yeah, Bobby BIB.
Eh?
A year engagement.
Divorce party.
Divorce the enuna airport because enu there I say
Are you on social media?
Yeah, like if you go to social media like Daddy Kotopon on YouTube or Instagram or something,
your number is there as well. So
yeah, everything is there.
Please give it up for them. Give it up for them for me. We're wrapping up. We'll wrap up with you guys, but quickly though, let me find. Yes, we'll wrap up soon. But Patty, are you working on something?
Yes, I'm working on a project in Ghana, but unfortunately, it's too close, so I couldn't, do it. So I'm going back, and then I'll prepare and come back again.
You're reloading. When you come back, it will be major.
Yes.
Let's follow you on social media.
Yeah, I'm on Instagram, Party Dance.
Party
Dance. It's PAA/TEE/dance. Party Dance.
Party Dance.
On Instagram.
Right now, in fact, since you are in town, I'm sure business. If you call him for money, you know go say no. You go if you German burgers,
I'll go take him.
He go collect you. I'll collect you. He shoots promo. Or your adverts move be. He's been doing this for long, so you know that. I'll bet you. Now, Mama, let's go.
Yeah. So the Clean Mama, the cleanup party this year is being sponsored by Unilever with Key Soap.
Wonderful.
You know Key Soap, dear. I'm on for.
Thank you.
Into Key Soap cleanup party, and also with Zoom Lion. I can't do this without Zoom Lion.
Thank you.
Definitely. We ain't running. We are one on the into Zoom Lion. Etame chipa papa. And now National Malaria. First name malaria control. So I'm saying malaria elimination.
Yeah, both video look at background. No?
Yeah, eliminating malaria. No, international malaria elimination program. Omo so ka ho. Say me be kire mo ye be sua ade wo so pa say female anopheles mosquito. Oya de ehin fa na ye person otu ni kosua. Na obeka ye nya malaria. Inti eno so ye be sua wo Clean Mama project na so. Inti these are the three sponsors.
Let's have that number.
But the number is 02777 Very simple number. 02347 Just call that number and Clean Mama. Get ready. Just call. It's free. It's free.
Let's have that number again.
02777
Let me dial it.
02347.
Okay, well, simple to remember.
Yeah, don't let anybody tell you Clean Mama takes money. No, just organize your area and call me, get a date, and then I'll just be there.
All
right. So I need drinks and water company for
water companies.
Because clean up party.
Mutiana, wait for
drink no water.
Thank you. Let's come down to ourselves. We're wrapping up with him. Yes, your church.
Yes, Citizen Fellowship Church.
Citizen Fellowship Church.
Yes.
CFC.
Yes. Yeah, and I also support Chelsea, so it's still CFC.
Oh, wow. I'm a Man U fan.
Man U?
Yeah.
Okay, then, since you said Man U, let me mention our number. 055 777 777
I'm also switched off.
Debbie, 055 777 7775. Yes, Shamo 7. But Citizen Fellowship Church is on the Springtest Road. In case you have time, please visit us. You will love it. It's the craziest, funkiest church in the world.
A lot of young people there.
So
if you're a single man, hello. If you're a single man watching a date rush, must I tell you everything? Go to church. Join praise this time, not show me.
And this Sunday, please, we're having a very special Thanksgiving service. It's my wife's birthday on Wednesday, so we are celebrating her. Please come join me.
I will be there.
Masa.
Oh. Praises time when I'm too hallelujah through my switch front row.
But on this note, let me say hi to everybody. My wife, I love you. Auntie May, and of course, the leadership of Citizen Fellowship Church. Guys, you are the best.
All right.
God bless
we are going to invite you on the 3FM drive so we have a longer conversation.
Sure.
But let me have your social media too.
Yeah. I'm on Instagram, official Irene Opari. Facebook, Irene Opari, Clean Mama. And the YouTube, Clean Mama TV. So, subscribe. I'll put the videos there too. So
okay, let's hand you guys over.
Before I'll leave, I want to say thank you to Shadow for,
the braiding.
Yeah.
Oh,
my dreadlocks.
I've done it too. I do braiding.
Oh, really?
I use blade.
That is blading. That one is blading, not braiding.
We grab a food cross with you. Okay, thank you so much, guys. It's such an honor having you. We're going to be on the 3FM Drive every weekday, 2 p.m. till 7 p.m. 3FM 92.7 in Accra. I'm your host together with AJ Sapo. Next week we are making a date with all of you again. So we have a longer conversation. Right, sure. But tomorrow morning, 3FM has got the final, season finale of Fat to Fit. And those who were part of the 60-day weight loss journey, don't judge me. I wasn't part, but I'll be there for the closing ceremony. All right, thank you very much. Thank you, DJ Abiam. Thank you so much, Castle Prickle. Thank you, Betty. Thank you.